Welcome to the cold and rainy Da Nang. I don't know what's going on. Marcus, why, what's going on? Why is it cold, man?
I don't know.
My God, okay. We're gonna walk now here at the nightlife street, okay? This is the nightlife street. Lots of bars and restaurants here. And we're gonna walk all the way from here to the Banh Mian market. And I'm gonna show you one of my favorite banh mi's. Where I'm gonna walk over there now, and the problem is the banh mi is not on Google, but I will link somewhere close by in the description below. Okay, so here is Bello Pizzeria. So here, the corner bar is one of the main spots to start and end the night. That's what I would say. People always come here at the beginning and then they end up here. And there are a lot of other bars and street restaurants over there, Aqua Betty, live music everywhere. Then here you have pizzas, late night pizzas. So if you want to have a pizza after a night out, those places are also open. Also, you asked for cigars, okay? Only real cigars, cigar point. That's how it looks. Very nice. Somewhere here is a good English breakfast, I heard. I still don't know where. I always miss it somehow. And this here is one of the longest bars now here in the nightlife street. They also have huge seating area behind. And yeah, it's pretty busy now. Not now, but in general.
Well, look at this, they transformed to a coffee place.
On the
during
daytime? Yeah.
day.
Interesting.
Party.
Yes. And here, very popular as well, Funky Donkey. It was also one of the first places I went to. Ah, that's it, Happy Heart Coffee. This is where the good English breakfast is. American breakfast and English breakfast, 165. I definitely have to try this one. Breakfast burritos. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna go there soon with David.
Look at this. They're offering a co-working, whatever, from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Hannah's co-working. Maybe they have it inside.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Oh, so they're gonna have now co-working on the daytime, coffee shop on the daytime until 6 p.m. and then they will transform to the bar. Smart. That's smart, okay. And Happy Heart Coffee, I heard a lot of good things about that. I will check it out soon, definitely. They all sell some things here on the daytime. 15,000. Wow. Banh
And
mi.
it looks like pork belly.
This is a good value here. And then here, a few important things here to know as well. Every Thursday, the open mic night back in the days, it was in the Trip 66. That is not there anymore, but there often are here the blends on Thursdays. Sometimes also in other places, like Tom or somewhere. You gotta check them out. I don't know where they are, but if you walk around on Thursday evening, just see where everyone is and loud music, then you know you're right. This is like one of the most famous events on every Thursdays. It's nothing for me, but so many friends love it. Open mic nights on Thursdays.
What's
Comment
open
below.
mic? The singing or?
Yeah, the singing and just do like, yeah, some musicians and yeah, it's always packed. It's always very, very lively and loud. So nothing for us, Marcus. But I still have to mention it here because it's very important to many people.
Okay.
People love those loud music and drinking beer and all that stuff. We also walk now here further and we're gonna check if they still have the electric motorbike rental open. It's actually cold, windy and a little bit of rain. And I don't know why, because it's almost April.
Is this
Very
Can I
unusual.
use the word I learned at the beach? It is brisk.
Brisk. No, you can't.
No, it's
The
not.
English people will attack you. Oh my God, now it's windy again. Oh my God, jeez. Oh no. Was this the restaurant? No. No, it wasn't the restaurant. Ah, it's over there. Maybe that changed too. Guys, so many places changed now. So I can walk here last week, the week before, and something new gonna pop up. Ban Ut. I really like this place.
Yes. Oh, a gym.
And an outdoor gym. Yeah, it's no AC. They usually have the doors open. It's closed right now.
Maybe it's a muzzle-free week.
Peugeot. Why are there French cars here? All right. Is this a stray dog? He looks too fine for that. He looks very well groomed. Hey, mate. So before the mango shop, there's a very famous mango shop. It was always there. Now they changed it. But I think they just moved a little bit further. But what is that? Ah, Little Mango moved.
Yeah, they moved in this direction, you
No,
remember?
no, I think they moved there.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna see it right now.
Oh, yeah, it's an opposite of this scooter rental.
And here is also one of my favorite pho places. He's very friendly, has good pho and good bunja. It's funny, when I went there the first time, they had, I think, three Google Maps reviews.
What is this?
Marcus, maybe it's something
T-box?
for you. It's making photos, making pictures. You can get some,
really?
yeah, there are boxes and you can make some pictures, some cute
But
pictures.
you also can sing. Because they say karaoke with photos or what?
Ooh, all right.
Okay. Looks feminine.
So now, yeah. So this here's the new Little Mango. Okay, guys, the new Little Mango. They moved now. It's very good. They have a lot of mango dishes, even mango sticky rice and super nice mango smoothies. And what is this? It's Italy. All right. Okay, so they still have the Winfast renting point here. So if you just need a motorbike for a day or something and you don't have a driver license, this is a very good option. You just rent it, and when it's empty, you can just bring it back.
And its deposit is unnecessary.
Yeah, yeah.
We don't need the passport
Exactly.
and no driver license.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
He moved.
It's funny how mad he looked.
Changed.
Huh?
The name changed.
No, it's still easy go.
Yeah, but they say it's emove.vn.
Ah,
no
it's
easy.
old name. Ah, okay,
Ah.
okay. All right.
Thank you.
And look at, they have so many there over there as well. They have enough. So I think it's a perfect solution. If you just want to pop in, get one bike, hassle free. Yeah. It's not that fast, but at least it's legal to drive,
What I
I
like
think.
about this is you don't have any cost at petrol.
Yeah, petrol, no
Because
petrol,
nothing.
true. I mean, petrol is also not that expensive. I think a week costs $4 or something.
Gratis is better.
Yeah.
Free.
That's my German friend Marcus, yeah. All right. So now we are here at the Chautivinte Street. We're gonna take a left and then gonna take a little side street all over to the Bakmian Market. And close to the Bakmian Market, there is actually one of my favorite banh mi's, and I miss it. We were so long now in Bangkok, in Thailand, in Pattaya and Bangkok. I really, really miss banh mi. And it's also a very popular $1 rice and pork place. Pork and rice. Pork on rice. Whatever you want to call it. I love this car. Winfast VF3. It would be so funny if I would walk out of this small little car. Okay, that's new, right? Or I don't know, maybe they just renovated.
Billiard,
K-box.
Cyber gaming.
Cinema. K-box. I think K-box is maybe karaoke. Karaoke boxes. Here you can get some 80-cent salt coffee. And there's a bakery here. Oh wow, they have a noodle shop over there. Oh, Banh, Beo, Nam, Lok. Ooh, it's not a noodle shop. It's some Hue specialties. Nice. There's a tea spot here. Some fried bananas. And this is a Hutu place. Hutu. Nice. We're gonna walk all the way to the right. Always walk steady. They will not stop, but they will drive around you, hopefully. It's busy here. It's buzzing. And here's like a shop where you can just have all kinds of random stuff you can buy here. Gifts or pencils, papers, books, notebooks, things like that. Very, very good Bonnet place. Bonnet Dao Dao. I had Bonnet here 2 times. Pretty good. It's a school, I think. I'm not sure what kind of school it is, but whenever the school ends, it's very busy around the streets here. We're gonna go all the way here to the left. A little sneaky route straight to the market. And close to the market is a beautiful banh mi place. And a lot of good restaurants as well. So definitely, especially when it's like this bad of a weather, just go there and eat yourself through everything. So here it's not the best to drive around, not the best to walk around because so many people drive here only. There's also no pavement. So it's a little sneaky route. It would be a good place to live, but as you can see, there's a lot of motorbikes driving around here. Those are apartment buildings, right, Marcus? I think there's apartment buildings here.
Oh.
With balconies.
Probably yes.
Yeah.
It looks nice with the stuff.
This is like a big house, a villa. They're renovating. Huh. There you can get laundry done.
For 10,000.
10,000.
kilo.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's 40 cents a kilo.
Yeah.
Pretty wild.
At my hotel it's
Here's the
15.
same again.
Around 15 at my hotel.
Oh, that's still good for the location.
But I saw it already for 20 and 30,000 each per kilo.
Why do they have Maschendrahtzaun here? This is the German word for today is Maschendrahtzaun. Maschendrahtzaun or Stacheldraht. This is Stacheldraht. Okay.
But it's also,
Stacheldraht.
you can also say Maschendraht.
Yeah, the funny thing is my wife is learning German now. So she can watch our German channel. But what is this? What's going on in here? I think it's becoming a new building. A new apartment building. Else they would not dig so deep. Look at this, opening Coco. What is Coco? Huh.
No plan.
Koki. Okay.
Rusi home. Rusi.
Rusi ho.
Russian people.
I don't know.
Rusi home.
So, as you can see, we are very close to the Antung area. We started at Antung 5. Now we have to go here to the left and then to the right. And then we are almost there, so it's pretty quick to walk here. You can also walk the normal main road, but I think this might be a little bit quicker. And here on this streets you will find the good dishes here. No one talks about. But I'm so excited about this banh mi. Oh. I hope she's still there. I cannot find her on Google Maps. Someone asked me about it, because I did a video about that on my main channel, a food video. And maybe we can even walk here.
Okay.
What is that? This is now the residential area here.
Well, here's.
This is a pretty building here.
It's quiet.
It's quiet, yes. I think this is also, lots of people like to live here. This is also apartment building. Yeah, a big apartment building, Marcus. It's a big balcony. Oh, I think I know this place. I think I saw it often on Facebook back 2 years ago.
Okay.
It's actually kind of a nice place. Huh. Yeah, so we are almost here. I think it has to be here somewhere on the left. I hope they're here. So here you have some right on the right spot, and then here on the left, yes. Let's hope she's still here. Yes, she's here. I think she has, yes. Pork belly banh mi, royalty. Royalty, I can tell you that. Oh yeah. And this is how they cook it here as well. It's the pork belly in this thing. This is the oven.
Is this the place?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Let's do it.
All right, so this place is sadly not here, but you know what? It is right next to Hanate. You see this? Hanate, coffee and drinks, okay? Opposite of Bin 4 barbershop. And yeah, it's right here. You see these beautiful words, pork belly, nice, and the banh mi for the bread. This is where you wanna go, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.